Did you know that the sales methodology professionals use is of enormous significance in their success in closing deals? Sales methodology is like a roadmap that outlines the steps and strategies necessary to navigate the complex landscape of selling. Just as a well-crafted recipe ensures a delicious dish, a sales methodology provides a recipe for sales success. SlideTeam presents to you a ready-to-use PowerPoint presentation on sales methodology to help salespersons leverage their expertise, build trust with the customer, and confidently seal the deal. One popular sales methodology that stands out is consultative selling that takes a customer-centric approach, prioritizing the customer's needs, challenges, and goals. Consultative selling involves asking questions and providing tailored solutions that address specific requirements of the customer. This PPT template will help you hone the skills of your sales team. The skills that will get a major boost are active listening and balancing questions. Grab this content-ready sales methodology PowerPoint presentation to help professionals navigate the sales process effectively and create meaningful relationships with customers. The consultative selling process has 6 stages. The first is research, where a sales rep must conduct a thorough analysis of the business, its products, benefits, and more before contacting a prospect. The second step is to build trust by initiating an open-ended conversation with the prospect. Once trust develops, sales rep asks relevant questions to clients. After listening to the prospect's needs, it's time to provide your client with valuable advice using your business's products and services. Then you close the deal by providing customers with high-end services and meeting their expectations. Remember to follow up to transform your prospects into brand advocates for your company. Ready to level up your sales game? Take the first step towards sales mastery by embracing the art of consultative selling today. Download this deck to unlock the secrets of sales success and start closing deals like never before.